Hi there, welcome back. I know I'm lacking Ferrari related content right now. This car is taking so long and I don't even know why. God damn it. But never mind, I've got some things that we can do today. We're gonna work on the chairs. They need some attention and they are out the car so long and haven't seen any daylight, so I figured it would be a great idea to just have them protected a little bit with the leather shiny thing. I'm gonna take that one later on. Also, we're gonna get the other interior parts over here, spread them out, do the same thing, do whatever is possible, and then let's have a look at what we can do in preparation of the car coming back someday in the near future, in 10 years or something. But before we start running parts from the attic to here, first I want to show you some things I might have shown you before. Some damages on the chairs. We're not gonna do something about that right now because I don't know what I can do. I've posted a video of some pictures on Instagram, hoping that you guys know somebody or something or trick I can do to get this fixed. Here we got the burning hole of a cigarette and we got some loose back ends. So we really need to figure out how they're gonna fix that. Also, these are not, well, working the way they used to. So that's something that needs to be fixed. Here, this one is bigger problem. So that is not something that I'm gonna solve today, but I'm going to use the video to ask you guys to for suggestions what we can do to solve it. Because originally I didn't, wait, 1 second. Here we are, sorry. Originally I didn't intend to do anything about the interior, and I admit I haven't got any budget left to do a lot on the interior. But, well, I'm just thinking in my mind, maybe in 10 years when the car is finished, I'll have a beautiful red Ferrari here, new suspension, new brakes, improved electrics, restored engine, gearbox, etc. And then every time I get in the car, I see a damaged interior. So I'm starting to think about, you know what, how longer it takes, the more you do. Nah, never mind. But I'm starting to think about, yeah, I need to do something about the interior of the car. I can't leave it like it is. So, budget, a little bit hard. So, but never mind, let's try it again. Let's get started. Well, here you have it. Most of the interior parts, we're still missing some parts. The trim on the sides, I don't think you understand what I mean, but okay. The trim on the sides and a little piece that goes in between the rear window. These parts are in a box I can't reach, and the dash, of course, because the dash is in the car and the car is standing at the paint shop where nobody is working on it right now, but okay. That's how it goes. Let's switch. Yes, so we can have a better look, and let's start over here. This is the door panel. The passenger side, as you can see, there are some holes. That's okay because you won't see them when this thing is fixed. Here's the speaker foam. I don't think I will place the speakers back, but I don't know. So we're going to clean just these parts. And very interesting, if you have never seen the backside of a Ferrari door, here it is. Very, very simple. Well, welcome in the 80s. What can I say? So yeah, different times, let's say that. But I don't mind. Then with the chairs, we already spoke about it. The dash. And here's the funny part, is you have the GTS logo on it, but I have a GTSi. So in the past, somebody tried to change the registration of the car. Also, it's registered in Holland as an GTS. But when you look closely, I don't know if you can see, you see that this dash has been beaten. This is the cool part. How, I don't know if you can read it, but well, we have to do something about it. Then we got the parts that are in the window. Blah, blah, blah. I try to figure out how I'm gonna say that to you, but these are the window trims. Yes, I think we should call them that, like that. There's the upper part of the front window. This is the back where the rear window fits in, and normally here's a little piece. That piece is in a box. I can't reach them. These are the two shelves, and the dumb thing I did was I placed a sticker on it so I know where to put it. But to be honest, how can I not know where to put it? And now the sticker is leaving some marks on the leather. So we have to do something about it. Here's the headliner. The door pieces, like they fit like, oh, let's get the right one, like this on the door. Very typical Ferrari 308. And let's see, we have a problem here that the leather has shrunken. So we have to try to fix that. I tried to fix it before, but it didn't work. But for now, we're just gonna do some cleaning and make sure we protect the leather. And meanwhile, I'm gonna think about how I'm gonna, get this interior trim pieces back to new, or at least better. For example, I really hate the fact that there's this thing, and on this side it is already gone. So very ashamed? No, how do you call it? Well, I think sad. But don't forget, guys, this is a 40-year-old car. And that's what happens to 40-year-old cars. Most cars after 10 years are done with. And this Ferrari has survived all this time. And also the 200,000 kilometers. So I don't think I can complain. So let's start some cleaning. Stage 1 complete. Yes, I have found some things. This was just a simple cleaning. Just get the main dirt off. Dirt that sat here in the car for about 30 years or so, but also dirt collected during the restoration. So they're clean, but we found some things that we need to address and we need to repair or something. So let's have a look. I'll switch sides before we do that. That's better. For example, if you look at this door, then you see that this trim, well, it's loose, but also on the inside, well, this is how it's supposed to be. And here, and I can't remember if you ever saw that one. And when you go to the other side, you see exactly the same thing. The trim over there is just, well, it wasn't visible. But I'm afraid a little bit to, when I push too hard, then it will break or something. Other stuff we found, simple things like some damage, a little dent over here caused by the storage. Hopefully that will go away. But for example, here's a dent that was already there. And also some things we have to address is these flaps. And I believe this side, yes, while driving constantly falls down. So we have to get them apart and fix them in time. Also, I found that the chairs are uncleanable, sort of, because, well, the seats were the parts that, while owning the car, I you know what I mean, cleaned. But, and also this part, I cleaned them a little bit, but not good enough. I discovered right now. So this was stage 1. Stage 2 is going to be the leather feeder, just to get the leather, well, a little softer again. And after that we're gonna do some of the fabric that is here. The stickers came off quite nicely, so that's not a problem. Not as big as I thought it would be. I have to keep my blah, 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 blah. I have to remember myself that I'm speaking in English, and as a Dutch guy, that's sometimes very hard, and my accent is very annoying. But keep practice. Okay, well, back to the business. So let's start feeding the leather. So, I just did some leather feeding, rich leather cleaner, conditioner, stuff I had laying around. Maybe I should buy some other stuff. But for now, again, I said this is mostly because the parts are so long in storage that I'm afraid that there is going to be some new damage. So I wanted to protect it and make an inventory about what we're gonna do with the interior parts. Was just thinking, I said it before I think, but I would love to have an Alcantara dash, and that means that some of these parts, if I ever am able to change that, maybe a good do-it-yourself job, but some of these parts will also need to be changed. But I think that would look stunning on the 308. also the dashboard and some of these parts are vinyl, not real leather, but vinyl, the stuff. And when the sun hits the windscreen, then you can see a damn thing because of the dash is in your way. So that will be a possibility to change the dash in the future with Alcantara or the F40 type of stuff. I would love to have that. It's a personal touch, but we'll see. So for me, I'm gonna finish up cleaning the brick, the fabric, that part there, over there, yes. But I think that's boring. So we're gonna wrap this video up. Simply because also I need to have some time because there's a good video coming very soon. I'm shooting this in a few days. I don't know exactly when I'm here, but I think next week after this video, if all goes to plan, then you will see a fantastic new review. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget, like, subscribe, spread the word, and join. And thank you. Goodbye. Wait. Oh, before we go, I forgot. If you know a company that can help me with these interior parts, maybe clean, repair, etc. for a good price, or maybe a collaboration or whatever, it's possible, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, well, let's get this baby in perfect shape. Thank you. Goodbye.